Hi, and welcome to the final F1 Christmas bake-off of this year at least. And for this bake-off, I'm going to attempt to make a gingerbread house. Well, not exactly a gingerbread house, more of a gingerbread F1 Pitlane Garage. I've never made gingerbread before. I've never made a gingerbread house structure before, so it's probably not going to turn out perfectly, but at least I'm hoping it'll actually turn out edible. So for the final time, let's get cooking. The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 200 degrees centigrade. That's 400 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 6, or 180 degrees if you have a fan oven. Into a saucepan you need to add 375 grams of butter, 300 grams of dark muscovado sugar, and 150 grams of golden syrup. And then you just need to melt it. Once the butter, sugar and syrup are melted, take them off the heat and just leave them to cool for a little bit. And then into a separate bowl, you need to add 900 grams of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 2 tablespoons of ground ginger. Or in my case, I got my little Christmas elf to help me in the form of a small Pitlane boy. The next step is to make a well in the flour, and then take the butter and sugar mixture and pour it all in like that and mix it up. Once you've mixed it together, this is what the mixture will look like, and then just leave it to cool for a bit and then you can knead it into a dough. Now here is where I am going to deviate from the recipe. So if you want to make a proper gingerbread house, please follow the recipe on my blog post. I am actually going to attempt to try and make an F1 Pitlane Garage. Take some of the gingerbread and place it on some greaseproof paper, and then flatten it out. Take a rolling pin and roll it out until it is 3/4 of a centimetre or 1/3 of an inch thick. Then cut out from your rolled out bit of gingerbread one of the sides and place it on a baking tray. And then repeat this for every other side of your gingerbread house. Once you've cut out your gingerbread templates, you need to pop them into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until the gingerbread is firm. Once your gingerbread template bits have come out of the oven, you just need to trim them so they're how your template should be, and then leave them to cool completely. Once your gingerbread outline walls are cooled completely, it's time to assemble your gingerbread house. If you are making a proper gingerbread house, please follow the instructions in the blog post. I am going to attempt to make an F1 Pitlane Garage. So the first thing you need to do is decorate the sides and the roof with some piped icing. Now I don't have any icing bags at home, but I managed to find some ready to go icing complete with nozzle in the supermarket, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'll let you into a little secret, I've never iced anything either in my entire life. I have the ideas, probably not the artistic temperament, let's say, so this is probably all going to go horribly wrong. Once you have finished icing your gingerbread, leave it to set, and then you are ready to put the house together.